Alright guys, good morning. After 2 weeks of struggling with the weather, I think today we're finally going to get our Christmas tree. And I also want to give you guys some suggestions for great holiday gift ideas for the photographers and videographers in your life. So let's go. Alright guys, the first suggestion I'm going to make for holiday gift ideas for the photographer and videographers in your life is a camera. Every photographer and videographer needs a camera, and if they already have a camera, don't let that discourage you because there are plenty of options for different types of cameras. You could get a 360 camera for a videographer, you could get a film camera for a photographer. There are plenty of options. Alright, so we made it to the tree farm. A couple years ago when we bought our house, Emily and I decided we want to do a tradition of cutting down our own tree every year. So trying to keep with that tradition and cut ourselves a Christmas tree. Alright, the next idea I have for a holiday gift is a camera lens. What's a photographer or videographer without a lens? Right here I have Canon's 50mm 1.4. It's a great lens, lightweight, fairly affordable, awesome choice for a gift. Alright, after much hunting, I think we found the tree that we want. Wouldn't you say so? Alright, so this guy right here.
It's a girl.
Alright, this girl right here is the tree we're going with. We got to cut it down and get it out of here.
Isn't she voluptuous?
She sure is. Alright, so the next gift idea I have for you guys is a tripod. Sometimes keeping your image stable is important, and a tripod's going to allow you to do that. This Manfrotto is lightweight and packable and makes a great gift. So let's say that special person in your life that you're buying gifts for has absolutely everything. Why not get them a drone? There's so many options. They're great for videographers and photographers. Alright, the next thing I want to recommend for a holiday gift idea, especially for the videographer in your life, is a pair of noise-canceling Bluetooth headphones like these. Not only is being cordless great, but if you've ever tried editing in a noisy place, especially on a noisy airplane, having noise canceling is a lifesaver. Alright, I have one final gift idea for you guys, and that is portable lighting. This is the ALM9 by Aperture. At about $50, it's fairly affordable. It's about the size of a credit card, so it's going to fit in any photographer or videographer's bag. It's just great to have a little extra source of light. I've used it in a pinch as a key light. I've used it as fill light. I've used it to light photographs. There are a lot of uses for this little light, so I think it makes a great gift idea. So that's all we have for gift ideas for this year. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.